Sanibona Ndumelana Bushini. Hi, welcome to Dimisi Itiyo Benga funa ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. So uyawazi ama Chronicles of Musa Khawula, as Owami always calls them. So uMusa Khawula ngoba nje Mr. Fear for all, he was like, you know what, why kiba a video caption ukuthi Dominic Zaqa with his boyfriend or lover, something like that. And from my side, it is alleged. It's not a fact ukuthi umuntu wakhe. It is alleged. Musa Khawula was alleging that the person that is seen on the video with Dominic is allegedly a boyfriend of Dominic. And before you knew it, Twitter was on fire. Twitter was on fire. People were coming with screenshots. People were like, lo mystery guy ungathi siyamazi. And abantu was like, nimazelaphi mystery guy. And people on social media were alleging the guy that is seen with Dominic is allegedly uDon, lo Big Brother Mzansi season 6. Njani? I'm like, okay, which is not a problem. I mean, they could be friends because, you know, most influencers, plus especially Dominic, we've seen Dominic Eba Umganabo and the other guy, the Dule, you know, the vibe. So it's normal to see our influencers together. So we're like, okay, cool. I mean, even from the video, we cannot confirm Uguti they are dating because neither of them has come forward and said, I am dating this person. So it's all speculation and it's all allegations. You get what I mean? Please. So cool. People are like, Lomuntu ufana no Don, lo Big Brother. And others were like, very weird. A lot of people were like so confident to allege that person is Don. And the other and one thing about that video, if you look at it clearly, Dominic was not even aware they were taking a video of them. But the guy that Dominic was with, you could tell the guy saw the person taking a video and the guy made sure no, I'm not captured. The alleged Don. So this other person on Twitter came up with a image of Don wearing the same outfit that was captured on that guy's video with Dominic. So 1 + 1 kwabele kwaba ngathi it's who, but akakabi it's who. It's allegedly. Asikho sure. It can happen ukuthi nje ufane nomuntu ingqoka ama outfit afanayo. You see the coincidence. Kuyenzeka nje life in a minute. You know? Because that video was taken from far, so you can never confirm what it is done exactly. Just you look alike, yeah, you get. So, and others were like, it could be Udon, because Dominic allegedly made a video. Mina, I just watched a snippet of the video, so I don't know the context of the video. So from the video, Dominic was mentioning the fact that I'm not quite sure, but I think Ukeli, Umfonili was lugana nindota, I am the vibes, you know. And Dominic mentioned the fact Uguti indota yaga Kelly being fitla. So he came as someone who is single, mega fear, maybe good Dominic, you get the vibes. So Ukeli, yeah, we are tugana. And people were like, if ukulma ngumuntu otugana, one thing we need to be aware of is the fact Uguti uneliswa ngata could allegedly be the girlfriend, because as you know Uneliswa like inhlamba nje ebeyikhipha lapha ku Big Brother. I mean there are clips. It's not like ngikhuluma into nje engidopa phezulu. No, even on Big Brother, like ubedumile ngokuthi nje uyathukana inhlamba yalo yasisi we. So people are like, these allegedly things is alleging yabo, it's yeah allege vele. So yeah, and Dominic mentioned the fact that the guy also deleted the messages. Angazi ukuthi the messages were on Instagram or on WhatsApp. I don't understand, but apparently angazi ukuthi makayocheckwa, maybe afuna ukubonisa ugel ukuthi yazini I am not the one who came for your man. Your man came to me. But unfortunately, Dominic was seen as if ungathi umuntu okhuluma eyi-one, because the guy deleted the conversation. And Dominic also mentioned the fact ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthandana nawe because unomuntu, you get the vibes. Ayikho into ezoyenza waze washo ukuthi into engiqhazayo ngani ukuthi nisanda ukuhlekisa ngathi, and the LGBTQI community, although in this instance it doesn't include the whole LGBTQI, but mention the fact ukuthi ubone igirl abonisa umuntu wakhe athi yindoda, the vibes, and then bahleka, but the man Dominic, you get the vibes. So obviously, the man might be attracted to Dominic when unfortunately, ubona a partner. That's what is allegedly happening. So cool. And then Dominic was like, no, mina grand, you get the vibes. So we actually seen in ngoba nje angisekho kuleya moya lo yokuthathelana yabo, sengulo moya uhlonipha, the vibes. So I'm not quoting Dominic verbatim, but yeah, the vibes, because obviously I cannot quote another person verbatim, so the vibes ukuthi nje angisekho nje kuloyo moya ukuthathelana, sengulo moya ukuthi yazini, let me respect other people's relationship.